Introducing the on-demand Moldflow support subscription service. Receive support for your projects. Optimizing your injection molded projects is easy. This service is for current Autodesk Moldflow users. Ideal for post-training and the everyday Moldflow user. Receive expert level of assistance for your projects utilizing scientific methodology. Provides remote support. Available to all skill levels. Here is an example of how this works. Jackson and Sherry have an injection molded part they are optimizing with the Autodesk Moldflow software. Upon launching the analysis, they keep receiving the error that the analysis failed and are unable to determine the reason. Luckily, they are part of the Moldflow support subscription service. Contact us. Set up a time to meet. Receive immediate support for your projects, keeping you on target for timing and goals. Samples of support include analyses failing, solvers not solving or converging, part design, tool design, results not making sense, process setup, troubleshooting molding issues, and other customized assistance as needed for your project. Receive direct support and coaching from an Autodesk Moldflow certified expert and plastics engineer. Get support when you need it to meet your timing and goals. Gain insight, knowledge, and understanding of the Autodesk Moldflow software using scientific methodology. Learn additional techniques and methods to optimize parts. Our team has over 20 years experience analytically and on the floor. There are 3 subscription options available. How to subscribe. It's easy. Choose a plan. Agree to terms of service. Submit a purchase order and contact us for a time slot. Get started today. Moldflow support subscription service. Have questions? Contact us. www.bozillacorp.com, info@bozillacorp.com, or call 1-800-942-0742.